Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you have the necessary access and a device already on the network. Once connected, inspect the physical router sticker for a printed QR or SSID and password. Manufacturers often include it. If nothing is visible, open a browser and go to the router IP or use the router app. These are the fastest routes. Make sure to note the admin credentials. Without them, you can still find the QR from a connected device, which we'll show next. Once you have a connected device, you can generate or reveal the Wi-Fi QR. On Android, open Wi-Fi settings, tap the connected network, and choose Share to show a QR code. This encodes SSID and password. On Windows, view the network properties or use a QR generator with the network name and key copied from the system. On iPhone, use a router app, a profile export, or a shortcuts action to create a QR. These steps give you a scannable code for finally export or capture the QR so others can connect. Take a screenshot, save the image, or use the router app's export feature. Once done, test it with a second phone to confirm it connects automatically. If scanning fails, make sure the SSID and password are exactly correct. Common issues are case sensitivity and hidden SSIDs. If you can't access settings, reset the router or update credentials through the ISB app. But be aware this may reboot the network and disconnect devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.